face. I look crazy. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to another video. Back in my friend. So today we are going to be doing welcome to my channel. If you're new, I hope you like this video and the rest of them. If you want to slide by and peek at them. So today we are going to try to do eyebrows. As you can see, they are very thin. Oh wait, I don't mind you being very thin. I'm looking at my mirror. I don't mind you being very thin. I appreciate y'all for being thin and not bushy and not giving me issues. I appreciate y'all. It's not like I don't. Okay? Anyway, so we're gonna be trying to do our eyebrows, right? We are going to tint it with a Just for Men mustache and beard in the color M50 darkest brown. I grabbed the wrong one. I had to pee, and I have a very bad bladder or whatnot. I think my mom jinxed me as I was young. I think she jinxed me because I always told her, like, I just hold my pee, I just wait until I come home, then I pee. So I think it has backfired. So now I cannot hold my urine. So I was at the store trying to buy it, and I was like, oh, I pee. Oh, I gotta pee. So I was like, oh, grab one, let's go pee. And flew home, okay? Flew home, okay? And thank goodness my house was like 4 blocks away. So yeah, anyways, we're going to try this. What we're going to do is you need cotton balls, alcohol. If you gotta like tweak up your eyebrows real quick, you better tweak them real quick, and Q-tip, and that's it. So let me y'all can't tell because they thin, but I got like little extra hairs on the bottom. Let me get that real quick. I'm low-key scared, okay, because like, what if I mess up? What if it come out too dark? Lord have mercy, what am I doing? Okay. Oh, look at that, y'all boys. I don't need no angled brush. Get out of here. I'm improvising. You might as well improvise all the way through, right? Oh, Lord. I can hear my little sister TV. Like, I told her, put it down. I'm recording. But nobody respect me here, man. I mean, they do. But not when I'm recording. It's like, I get no respect. None at all whatsoever. God mercy, what am I doing? What did I just get myself into? Eyebrow right here always give me problems. This one right here, we're not friends. We shall see what I just did. Yo, like, I look crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Like, what's on my face? I look crazy. Yeah, nah. This not gonna rock. I don't think so. Not at all. I'll be back. 10 minutes. I'm scared, so I'm taking it down now. I don't want to finish right. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness gracious. It looks like a box. Like, ew, what is that? I don't like it. Ew. Ew. Ooh, I don't think this one was ready. Oh my god. They're not even whatsoever. Oh my gosh, I gotta rock around with this on my face. So I gotta wear hats at work, so it's gonna be covered, but from afar, which I think. Oh my god, it could be better, but I'm pretty sure if like I color it in with some pencil, it'll be good, right? Like I'll be fine. Anyways, right? It's okay from afar, just 10 feet. I know we got this little vibes going on. So that by 6 feet, I need you to say stand 10 feet. We gonna be good, right? We gonna be good. But so, I mean, from afar, it's not bad. Will I do this again? Yes, because your girl ain't got no eyebrows, and like, this is kind of fun. I wish I knew how to do my eyebrows for real. Like, you know how people be putting concealer and all that other stuff. I don't know how to do that. But anyways, thanks for watching another. Oh no, I don't skip the part. Anyways, you know how we do. You know what we do. Depend on who. Okay, boo. So thanks for watching another video. Till next time. I'm about to go shower, right? And I'm just looking in the mirror, just like looking at it. And like, how about I like this one better than this one? And I was talking mad-ish about this one. Like, that one had to show out, right? It had to prove me wrong. Okay, whatever, sis, whatever.